welcome back to all. I bought some canvases more for the paintings, and today I'm gonna work on it. And I want to say Merry Christmas in advance, and Happy New Year also in advance. And for the Happy New Year, I will make the painting around 31 1st of January 2026. So, and I will also start some exciting things for the new year, and for 2026 I have a lot of plans. If you are my regular viewer, you will get the benefits. Okay, keep watching me. I want to work here to express the feelings about the festival excitements, and this is not pointing only one kind of the festival. It's just the feel of excitement, the feel of celebrations. So how we can understand without any words, without any visual that expressed with a figure. So there will not be any figure, it will be just with the abstract form. Okay, so let's enjoy this video. Let me do this work. And I took some water and I'll use some colors. You know, in the celebration, most of us use some colors like red tones, red shades. So these are the red tones and shades, orange and crimson lake, and this is scarlet lake. For the wash layer, this is sufficient. I think I don't want I don't need any more color. Okay, I took some water over it, and roughly we can paint it. So the multicolors may create the feel of celebration, but there is a main thing is to create the contrast. So I have to work on it, and let me do this. So I'm mashing these dark colors, and after that I will mash mix the lighter colors. I have to keep the difference and the distance between the darker and the lighter colors. This difference will create the contrast, and it will be helpful to make the lighter tones of the textures after I will do the work on it. So this is the mixture of the all colors, and beautifully mixed with the tones, and also keep the separation of the red color here and somewhere also. But this is a little more smoother, so make it a little dark. Now this is balanced, and same thing is here. I'm going to use this color to this place. It's looking empty. That's all. Now this is the perfect view that. Okay, so now this is dried completely, and I need to work on the final layer, and I will use golden color. This is acrylic. I will make it a little wet and thin. Will cover some random space. Okay, so the final layer is done, and this is the toughest task in my paintings. I had to make the textures before it will dry, and you know acrylic dries very fast. Let's see how I do. Before it, I will blend the margins of this color. it is still wet. Very nice. Layer is very good. It is thick and wet. This is not sufficient textures. I need to make some bigger and thick textures. So this is the second round of the textures as I do the other paintings. But this layer is so thick, so I have to wipe this iron nail again and again. It can be cleaned if some maybe mashed hair. After it will dry, I will clean. But before drying, I have to make all the textures. This is a big task. Finally, this is what I wanted to create. I will clean up these after it will dry completely. So guys, please keep watching me, and thanks to watch this video.